Welcome to This Week in Vexly. Starting off, we will review our trade ideas from last week. Our first idea was a long on TSM, based on our market maker model signaling a short squeeze. We also mentioned that we wanted price to stay above 85 for a shot at 90, and that's what we got this week. From Monday's open to high of week, TSM was up 3.35%. And you could have gotten a better return if you waited for price to test 85 like we mentioned above. For our second idea, we liked MU as a long. Our market maker model was long, and on our gamma profile, we mentioned 65 should act as the floor for the week, along with having an upside target of 70. From Monday's open to high of week, MU was up 3.14%. Both ideas hit our targets, and it was another great week of trading. Now let's get into our trade ideas for the week ahead. For our first idea, we like XOM as a long this week. Our market maker model is long, but Pluto is currently neutral. Moving to our gamma profile, we can see peak negative is set at 105 and peak positive is set at 110. Seeing this, we will want to see 105 act as the floor this week and have an upside target of 110. Next, we have our Vanna profile with peak negative at 105 and peak positive at 115. Moving lower, we have our skew model, which is slightly mixed with close to the money options are mostly puts, but far out of the money options are loaded in calls. Next, we have our weekly seasonality for XOM. And finally, here are the VX levels for XOM. One thing to note is the bid we saw off 105 last week, and will be a spot we want to watch for the week ahead. For our second idea, we like CRWD as a short this week. Our market maker model is short and bearish, along with Pluto signaling a sell signal. Moving to our gamma profile, we can see peak positive is set at 175 and peak negative is set at 160. Next, we have our Vanna profile with peak positive set at 185 and peak negative set at 160. Based on these profiles, we want to see price get back under 175 for a short down to 165 to 160. Next, we have our skew model, which is mixed, and here is the weekly seasonality for CRWD. Lastly, we have the VX levels for CRWD. One thing to note is how important 165 was last week before price broke out, and we think price will want to retest this area due to current positioning. That's it for this week. To recap, we like XOM as a long this week and want to see it hold above 105 for a shot at 110. For our second idea, we like CRWD as a short below 175 with a target of 165 to 160. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.